Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Lewis, the tech guy. In today's video, we're going to go over how to make a drawer in the Flutter app. All right, see you in a few. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to delete everything and we're going to start from scratch. So the first thing we're going to do is going to import the material package.dart, and then we're going to do our main void main. Close that out, and it's going to return a run app widget. We're going to call this my drawer app. And wrong buttons. There we go. Okay, so now semicolons, and then we're going to create our class here. Okay, come on. First world problems, huh? When your IDE doesn't want to work. Stateless widget, and then there's a drawer app, and it's going to create one missing override, and we're going to need this in a second. Final app title, and then actually let's instantiate it. We're going to call this app my drawer. Okay, and then here we're going to return a material app, and you know, I tried to do my hot reload. It hasn't been working, so I got to click up here. Never know, because there's nothing in here, so it's upset because there's nothing in here right now. Okay, I'm going to remove some of this distracting stuff. I'm going to space this in anticipation for what's coming. All right, so home is going to be, jar app home page. How you like that, huh? All right, and it's upset because I haven't created anything yet. So let's give it a class. There we go. And this also extends a stateless widget. There we go. And it's upset because it wants the build method. Okay. And then up here, what I want to do is I want to do the title and give it the app title. And the other thing is that debug checker flag. The one right there. This little thing right there. We're going to get rid of that thing. Alright, so let's get rid of all these errors by creating our scaffold. And let's see if my hot reload is working. Nope, it's not. Let's try it up here. And bada bing bada boom, there we go. We got a beautiful thing. So let's do an app bar, give it an app bar, and the app bar is going to have a title of text, and the text is going to be, I don't know, drawer page. I keep doing the control save. One of the things I always like to do is I like to center my titles. I don't know why, but I do. There we go. Beautiful. All right, so one thing, we're gonna change this in a second. It's gonna be this. Actually, I should change the title to that. All right, so what I want to do here is do final title, right? And then we're going to do an instantiator. So it's going to be drawer homepage, and we're going to give it some stuff here. I'll type key, title is key, and then this title, right? And then we're going to say super what? Super key is key, right? Alright, everything looks good thus far. Alright, so let's put a little body in here, and in the body I want to put a center, and in the center what I want to put is a child of text, and we're gonna put a message here. Welcome, please drag to open drawer. All right, let's hot reload that, see if I didn't break anything yet. Nope, I haven't broken anything yet. All right, the next thing, and the reason we've all been waiting for, is the drawer. So we're gonna do, I'm gonna use that drawer, I'm gonna bring in that. And the first thing I wanna do, let's get rid of the padding. What's going on here? No, oh, we're gonna give it a child. List view, sorry about that. Had a little brain fart there. And the list view has padding, edge inset, and set that 0. And then I am going to do a children widget. And the first thing I want to do is do a draw header. And in this draw header, for now, just because we haven't done anything in a minute, I'm going to give it a text baby. And I'm going to say, this is my drawer. All right, and let's hot reload this and let's keep our fingers crossed. Ooh, look at that. Boom. How you like me now, huh? All right, but this is very simple, so we want more. We want more, I say. All right, so I'm going to, let's surround this in a column, right? And then let's give it another baby. Actually, let's put it above this one. Let's give it a Flutter, because oftentimes people are going to want to put their logos on things. So let's do that so I can stop being annoying. Let's give it a size. I've already played around with this enough, so I'm just going to give it 100. Hot reload this. Come over here, boom. Want to see something cool that I like doing? I just like doing this. And then, it got smaller. I know, I'm cheesy. Okay, so reload that. All right, so the next thing we want to do is we want to give some options for people to do, right? So we come over here and we're going to give people some options. I don't know if you can see this faint line right here. This is where the header ends and this is where our list tiles begin. Okay, so I want to make sure I know where I'm at, which is probably the hardest part in this whole thing. Here we go. And comment this, and let's add a list tile. And then, just because I know I'm going to do it again, let's add another list tile. Although God knows I could have copied and pasted it, but let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a title text, and the text is going to say item 1. And we'll do the same for the next one, text item 2. All right, let's hot reload this and see what we got. Boom, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I killed the app. That's not good. All right, so the next thing we want to do is we want to give it some functionality. We want to be able to tap on this. We want to tap on it, and we're going to say if we tap on it, what we want it to show is a debug print, just to make sure it's working for now. It's always a good idea to test things out to make sure they're working before you invest a lot of time and then have to kind of go back. Ooh, there we go. Notice the difference. I can click here, but I can't do anything there. If I come over here, this is pressed. So you see my message there? This is pressed. I change it to this is a monkey, and I hot reload that, and I press here, it'll say this is a monkey. Okay, so, but we don't want it to do that. No one's gonna realistically ever do that. So what we wanna do is, we wanna do navigator.pop, and we're gonna pop the context. So what it's gonna do now, and I'm gonna copy and paste all this right here. I finally learned. Copy and put it right there. Let's just fix it a little bit. Okay, so what I want to do is I want it to, once I'm in here and I click here, instead of clicking over here to get back here, I want to be able to press it and it brings me right back. Voila! Beautiful, beautiful stuff. All right. And typically, you know, you're going to pull off of a database, so you're going to loop through all these so you can get your list tiles, etc., etc. But, you know, play with it as you will. It's really nice. You could put probably a leader here. You could, there's other functionalities other than on tap. I think you could do on long press, and then have something happen. Let's see. Let's debug print. Since I got a little bit of time here, this was pressed long. And then close that right there. Hot reload it, and let's open up our little console there. Oops, wrong button. Long press. There we go. Long press. Awesome. All right. Thank you for watching. As mentioned before, I'll try to stay more consistent with my schedule. I really appreciate you. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. I'm in love with Flutter. I'll keep putting Flutter material out. Thank you very much, and have a great day.